welcome to the mix. And on the mix today we have Marcia. Now Marcia is speaking of an important topic that should be spoken about in many households, and she's talking about abuse, and she's imploring women that are in the situation to walk out so that they have their lives to live, because it's a perilous time, and a lot of females are going through abuse. So go ahead and check this video out, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have yourselves a wonderful day. You may learn something from this.
Hello, this is Marcia Everblessed in the house, people. How are you guys doing? Anyway, I want to talk about something serious, because as you know, sometimes Marcia Everblessed get very serious. Just going through some of my supporters page, and I saw the young lady from Jamaica that got her neck cut and she died. You know, ladies, I want to talk to you tonight. There is always sign and wonder in abusive men. And some of these killing that is happening, they can be prevented, my opinion. Because a lot of you women sit down in a relationship and get too comfortable and don't want to walk out of it. Some are going to stay in the relationship because of what the man can give you. Some of you don't willing to work to get out of situation. Some of you are in the situation because of luxury. Some of you are in the situation because you want to live certain life, so you can show off for your friend. But behind closed door, you getting abuse. And when you hear say you get killed now, whose fault it is? I'm being real here tonight. Come on, say Everblessed, me always going to keep it real. Some of you are not going to like what I have to say. In a situation, most abusive women know if a man will kill them, because the man always do something. Even if it's small, the man shows sign of those things. I'm here to tell you tonight, we are living in a wicked time, and I want you ladies to walk out of it. It doesn't matter if your friend gonna laugh off of you. Save your life so you can have your children to grow up with you. You see, nowadays, not only that, the man is taking out both the children and the mother, because I've seen that happen in many cases on television and on the web. When you sit down and let a man abuse you, you are just setting an example for your child. Your daughter who live with you is going to see all of that. She's going to end up being with an abusive man because my mother sat there and take it. You have to start show your children example. My condolences to that young lady family. I wish I hope they find that man very fast and hang him pa one guango tree. We don't even want the police to take him. I think the community should take him and fix him business for him. But here, ladies, I'm here to tell you, people, you have to learn to love yourself, you know. Many of you right now, you know, I'm talking to you right now, you know. You sit in that abusive relationship, you know. Especially, you know, sign and wonders is there, you know. Especially when some man make love to you, you know. If you give me something, me I could broke on your neck, me I could do that and whatever. I've heard of many stories. The woman can't even be at the evening time until the man come home. What kind of rubbish is that? The man have to come home and examine the woman first. Me? Then that's something happen to? You must say mad. Woman, why you not allow them something happen to you? Eh? What kind of man who can't take a shower until he come from work to see fi examine you if you're not there with a man. Oh, no, see a madman that need to go into a Bellevue. Eh? What kind of man are going to sit down with and call a dirty girl bitch? Eh? What kind of man are going to have we can't even spend quality time with, 7 days a week and he ready to go to the road and sit down with him brethren them without even spending quality time? We don't know. You know what a man like that? You see this girl, Marcia? I require 3 important things in a relationship. Love, respect, and attention. Yes, Marcia, love, attention. I may love respect, I may love somebody to love me. If me can't get that enough, you got to go. That's why probably me so single already, so right along, And as me have to single, I have always been a girl who is always in committed relationship for a long, long time. I believe in that because I love comfort. I'm a lovable person. And I love to treat people good and kind. So I want the same thing. And if I cannot find that, I'm not going to commit to you. But ladies, there's so much help out there. And never tell your abusive man when you're leaving. Ladies, I'm here to tell you now, when you decide to leave, I'm encouraging you to leave. Make sure that the night they want to give him the nicest love making, the sweetest big yam, the nicest dinner to eat. And when him gonna work, gonna pack up on a tool, cups of clothes, on a picnic and go. Make on a plan. Don't ever give on an enemy on a plan because that is when they're going to kill you now. If you don't know, you got to go. I'm here to encourage you tonight. Friends out there, if you're not a good friend, I want to see someone a friend I get abused, encourage them, please. Because I know someone who not turn bad, Someone who just because, who see friend and live a luxury life too, and I drive one big car, with the man, I test them with, if you abuse them up, and who want to get a free ride, figure a club, and go name 2 big class in thing, and who know so the friend I get abused, and before, encourage them to take with themselves, just because who want to get a ride and live off of the friend, who encourage them, but who he's a murderer too, because when something happen, a fool no fall too. I am here to tell Marcia Ebles or tell say a fool no fall to count they know better. Some of these ladies nowadays, they just need some encouragement from people, because some of them grew up in a way where they saw the abuse in their families, in their mom, and they just don't know what to do. They just need somebody to encourage them. Marcia Ebles is here to tell you now. You can inbox me anytime and talk to me. I will talk to you. I know sometimes I'm kind of busy and I get distracted from certain things, like, I will have certain people who write me and talk to me and whatever. I'm going to get back to you. I promise I'm going to get back to you guys. But I have a lot of things doing. You understand? And I just want to thank you guys for your encouraging words. And I'm here to be a sister to Uno. You understand me? Uno can count on me. I will listen with our open ears and listen to Uno. I don't forget none of you guys who write me and want to talk to me. I promise that I'm going to get back to you guys and talk to you. It's just that I have things to do. But I'm just here to encourage you. Please to walk out of the relationship. But when you're doing that, do not tell your boyfriend. And anytime you're in a situation, abusive relationship, and the man is abusing you, and you know your face it too, no answer him. It takes 2 for tangle. Just be silent, and when you tell them back things, and that can do your things worse. So I'm here to tell you, no answer them. We not just set on a plan. The most important things I want to encourage someone out there. I know say most of you out there, especially some have no paper and are not like that. And a whole man out there abuse, and take disadvantage of you. Me tell you to just pray and hold on. You understand me? You just keep trying out, just pushing yourself to work whatever job you can get. If I even go up on the street and learn to do little ear, little nail, get one little nail in night dancing store, practice on the nail, go on your Facebook instead of dip on Facebook and look on negative things, Google how to do nails and just work on it and get a skill. Because most of the people, girl, them out there, we do nail, them don't go to school. And them head, them use and them vision. So we are giving a little thing. The time on a dear on Facebook, and I go through rubbish on Facebook, but no can come on my page, because my page are inspirational things. Go and Google up how to do nails and how to decorate nails and get the skill. Everything is on computer now. Them teaching everything. Learn something. I'm talking about the people in the papers and get abusive and them something there and all over. Learn the skill easy. Practice. Going in 99-cent store and buying no nail and no glue and the 99-cent polish and do no little thing and go in one shop and do no something. And start from there and come out of it. Don't let a man kill you. No. We are women and we have the power. And when you find a man, ladies, you want to make sure say, you want to set on a plan what you want. Don't jump in a relationship without not telling the man what you need, what you require, and how you want this and how you want that. When you go in a relationship silent, the man have all power to give you nothing. You have to set the piece of carpet and set the carpet down, flat it out, you know. So when you walk on the carpet there and him walk on it, the two of you walk together in one accord and know what you stand for. Marcia Everbless is telling you right now, love on yourself. Because if you don't love on yourself, who the hell is going to love you? You please come out of that abusive relationship, people. If you have an alcoholic man, walk out. You have a man who smoke marijuana, them and smoke for rent money and not help you, walk out. I'm here to tell you to walk out, people. Walk out of the abusive relationship. Don't let a man kill you. Good night, everyone. Good day, good evening. Anywhere you all is over the world. Stop taking the abuse. Marcia Everbless out.